This is going to be for a 2015 Hyundai Elantra oil change. Now, changing the oil is a simple process, but Hyundai decided to add something to kind of slow you down. Let me show you. As soon as you get under the car, you see this big plastic cover. Now, I know they have their reasons, but it does make it a little bit of a hassle because you have to do a lot of extra work just to get to the oil filter as well as the oil drain plug. But I'm going to show you everything you need to do to make it a little quicker. Let me start off by showing you the plastic cover already off of the car. I will show you all the plastic clips you need to remove, and also, so there is a total of 6 plastic clips. Four are in the front. There is 6 10mm bolts, 3 in the middle and 3 in the back. So this is one of the clips towards the back. All you need is a small flathead. You just pry it inside and pop it out. For some reason it's the only flathead. All the other plastic clips, you need like a little star screwdriver. So let me show you the 10mm bolts. Here's the first 3. And the 3 towards the back. And here are the 3 bolts towards the back.
This is a Homage beat.
With these plastic clips, hold down the base of the clip. Use a star screwdriver. When you see it coming out, just pull it. It's that easy. And then you do the same thing to the rest of the clips. And this is what it looks like when you remove the 4 clips and 3 bolts. As you can see, you can easily access the oil filter, but let's remove the rest of it just to be safe. And now we can easily see the oil filter as well as the oil drain plug. You can see the oil pan right behind it, and there's the oil drain plug. It's a 17mm socket. Now I went ahead and used a breaker bar because last time I did kind of over torque it. And I did use what Hyundai recommends, which is Quaker State oil.